This presentation explores advanced analytics techniques in asset management focusing on asset valuation, risk assessment, and strategic decision-making using spreadsheet tools. We will cover the development of valuation templates, amortization methods, risk analysis, handling non-performing assets, asset replacement decisions, and debt repayment simulations. We'll begin with how to develop asset valuation templates in spreadsheets, then explore amortization methods and risk analysis of fixed assets. Next, we'll discuss identification and management of non-performing assets, optimizing asset replacement decisions, and conclude with dynamic simulations of debt repayment strategies. Building effective asset valuation templates is essential for accurate assessment and decision-making. This section covers the core components, step-by-step template development, and customization for different asset classes. Asset valuation models typically include inputs such as purchase cost, depreciation, useful life, salvage value, and cash flow projections. Understanding these components helps create accurate and flexible valuation models in spreadsheets. We will walk through building a valuation template, starting with data input setup, formula implementation for depreciation and cash flows, and integrating summary outputs to facilitate decision-making. Different asset classes have varying characteristics. Customizing templates involves adjusting inputs, formulas, and assumptions to reflect specific asset attributes like lifespan, depreciation methods, and market behavior. Amortization affects asset valuation and financial reporting. This section reviews amortization methods, implementation in spreadsheets, and selecting the appropriate method for asset types. The straight-line method spreads cost evenly across useful life, while declining balance accelerates expense recognition. Understanding these methods aids in accurate depreciation scheduling. We discuss how to set up amortization schedules with formulas that automate depreciation calculations for different methods, enhancing accuracy and efficiency. Selecting an amortization method depends on asset usage patterns, tax considerations, and financial goals. We analyze criteria to choose the optimal method per asset. Evaluating risks associated with fixed assets is critical for informed management. This section covers risk factor identification, quantitative assessment, and visualization techniques in spreadsheets. Risk factors include market volatility, wear and tear, technological obsolescence, and regulatory changes. Recognizing these helps prepare for potential asset value fluctuations. We explore methods such as sensitivity analysis, scenario testing, and probability modeling to quantify asset risks within spreadsheet models. Effective visualization with charts and heat maps in spreadsheets aids in interpreting risk assessments and communicating findings clearly to stakeholders. NPAs can severely impact financial health. This section explains classification criteria, monitoring tools, and management reporting using spreadsheets. Assets are classified as NPAs based on criteria such as overdue payments or underperformance beyond set thresholds, enabling timely intervention. We demonstrate spreadsheet techniques to track asset performance metrics, automate alerts, and flag potential NPAs for review. Effective reporting tools in spreadsheets support decision-making for managing NPAs through restructuring, recovery, or write-offs. Making timely asset replacement decisions involves economic life analysis and financial evaluation. This section covers models and calculations to support those decisions. Understanding an asset's economic life and applying decision frameworks helps determine the optimal replacement timing for cost efficiency. NPV and IRR are key financial metrics used to evaluate asset replacement options, ensuring investments yield positive returns over time. We review building spreadsheet models that integrate cash flow forecasting, NPV, IRR, and sensitivity analysis to assist in replacement decisions. Managing debt repayment efficiently is crucial. This section covers modeling repayment schedules, performing scenario analysis, and visualizing repayment outcomes in spreadsheets. We demonstrate creating detailed repayment schedules including principal, interest calculations, and amortization within spreadsheets. Scenario analysis allows testing how variations in interest rates, payment amounts, or timing impact debt repayment, supporting strategic planning. Visual tools like charts and dashboards help compare repayment strategies, making it easier to communicate and select optimal plans. Advanced spreadsheet analytics empower asset managers to value assets accurately, assess risks, manage NPAs, optimize replacements, and simulate debt repayment strategies, ultimately supporting informed and effective decision-making in asset management.